Hi everyone. This week we're going to be going and starting chapter 12 in our textbook, and this is the last chapter in the textbook. So what is this chapter all about? It's all about circles. So we're going to start off on Monday with chapter 12.1. We're going to do a review of circles, and we're going to look at what tangent lines to a circle are. On Tuesday we're going to move forward and look at chapter 12.2, arcs and chords. You guys have already done arcs before, but chords are something new. On Wednesday, we're going to take a look at inscribed angles. What's inscribed mean? Well, inscribed means if you have a circle and you have an angle inside, it's vertex and the endpoints of your angle, right? It's inscribed inside the circle. And we're going to talk about all the different formulas for inscribed angles. And then on Thursday, we're just going to go to the back of the chapter and take a look at some problems in the review section and on the chapter test to help us with our quiz in geometry on Thursday, Friday. Okay, so that is our week in review.